Hey y'all, come on in. So today I am going to do a pink Halloween nail set, and I usually like to do nail stickers. I don't really like to draw my nail art. So yeah, that's my cheat code of my type of nail art that I like to do. But yeah, so right now I am going to get straight into doing my nails. I usually like to just get into showing how I do my nails. I don't really prep my nails on camera, but if you guys would like a separate video on how I prep my nails and apply my nail tips, I'll surely do that. But I feel like that's a bit basic. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it today. All right, y'all. So I had to go back and look at the bottle, the bottle. And so it's actually called nail swipe. A swipe. It's just called swipe. Like, it's so basic. That's crazy. So yeah, I used the blue liquid, which is the swipe from Young Nails, and then I apply two layers of the protein bond, and I am using the Young Nails monomer. And so yeah, sometimes I get too excited when I do my voiceovers. I like doing YouTube. Like, when I tell y'all, I really enjoy doing YouTube because I feel like it's like an outlet for me. Being such an introvert and always being like in my own space, I just enjoy doing YouTube and talking to my internet cousins. Hey y'all, what's up? Send me some macaroni and cheese for Thanksgiving, because y'all, I heard they cutting food stamps, and I don't get food stamps, but but man, the plug, come on, man, stop playing. But yeah, back to the nails. Back to the nails. I got a little too excited. I'm sorry. But yeah, back to the nails. So now I am applying the white acrylic. And y'all, if y'all was here last time, y'all would notice that this is actually the same white color, the same white acrylic powder that I am going to use on my nails for this set, because I had really liked it, the ombre, and so I'm just going to do a Halloween version since it is the Halloween season. And so I actually need to watch a couple of Halloween movies. Can you guys comment down a few Halloween movies that would be really good to watch? Because I actually was going to watch Halloween Town. I'm not sure if you guys are Disney babies, but Halloween Town was definitely one of my favorites. So yeah, so comment some Halloween movies that would be good for me to watch, please. Thank ya. Okay, that's enough. Sorry. So, so after I apply the whites, I am going to go ahead and use the pink at the top to do that ombre effect. And so I'm going to do that for the rest of the nails. And then we're going to get into it, where I am going to file my nails and shape them. And with this nail shape, it's actually coffin, like a ballerina coffin shape. And the nail tips that I am using are from Amazon, as always. I love Amazon supplies, y'all. When I tell y'all they're inexpensive, Amazon and Shein. Those are like the two places that I would recommend for like nail charms and, the clippers and stuff like that. I would say get it from Amazon or Shein. But when it comes down to like the products, like the nail powders and the monomers and the protein bonds and stuff like that, I definitely love Young Nails. Well, yeah, Savvyland. With Savvyland, I would say it's an okay brand from Amazon. Like, I use it. I have it here. But with Savvyland, it's like something that I would use. It's not something that I would use as a base color. Let's just say that. Like, Savvyland products and their acrylics, they're more nail art type of acrylics. Where Young Nail acrylic powders, they give me more base color type of acrylics. Like, you can wear just that pink and throw on a top coat and call it a day. But when it comes down to Savvyland, I feel like they have more neon colors, bright glitter colors. So yeah, But I definitely need to try different type of brands. So if you guys have any type of brand suggestions as well, you guys can put it down in the comments and I'll look into it and do an unboxing. I love doing unboxing, y'all. I actually have a unboxing video from Shein as well on my channel, so you guys can get into that, you know, and get to know me a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna start going on live a little bit more because I'm chat too much, you know, I'm chat. So yeah. All right, y'all. So after I'm done applying the white acrylic and the pink acrylic powder to all of my nails, I didn't do anything fancy or nothing. They're all the same. If I want, I could just slap on some top coat and call it a day. But no, it's Halloween. So let's get into the Halloween spirit. Okay. So right now I am just going to file it, make it a bit more, you know, a little bit more straight. Give it a little more straight. So I have to file it. I'm definitely going to skip over all of this. So next, how can I almost forget? So now I have to clean the cuticle area with my electric file. And so this electric file was also from Amazon. Yep, I'm telling y'all, Amazon, they have inexpensive products. And this was only $10. For it to be cordless, like, yeah, I was surprised. I thought it was going to be like $50 or something. Nope, it was only $10. 10 buckaroos. So yeah, I handed over my 10 buckaroos proudly and very excited. And they handed over my drill. Well, not, you know, but you know, the order process if you order from Amazon. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm just cleaning the cuticles or whatever. And then I'm going to buff my nails. And I have these cute little pink buffers that I had got from, guess where? Shein. They're going to get tired of me with the Shein and Amazon products. I'm telling y'all going to get tired of me. But that's where I get my products. Like, I cannot lie and say that's not where I get them. Okay? So, yeah, if you guys want to be a nail tech, I'm telling you, like, it's just go after your dreams. Like, if something is in your head tell you to do something, follow God's voice and do it. Sometimes it can be a little bad voice, but most of the time, is God telling you to do it and go after it. All right? Walk by faith, not by sight, because everything is going to be all right. All right, so after I buffed and cleaned my nails, I was showing you guys the different nail arts that I was using. I got these nail arts from a local nail supply store. Oh, y'all thought I was going to say Amazon, huh? Or Shein. Nah. Actually, these were from a local nail supply store. And so with these nail stickers, most likely you can find similar ones on Amazon, of course. But I got these from my local nail supply store. And the ones from Amazon was actually really cute too. They had like these Chucky ones, the Bride of Chucky ones. Oh my gosh, that was so dope. But since I already had these and I barely have any clients, I don't know where my clients, like, come on now, where y'all at? Where they at? Come and book with your girl. But yeah, so I have not been having no clients lately, so I'm like, you know what, let me just be my own nail model and just use my own stuff. So yeah, I just been doing my own nails or whatever and just sharing it with my internet cousins. Thank you guys so much for supporting and liking my videos and even watching it and sticking through the madness, because I know it is mad. But thank you so much for supporting me. I highly appreciate it. I just don't understand how much I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Okay. So, oh yeah. Yeah, back to the nails. Look, these are some flames that I'm using as well. And these flames, they're so pretty because they're iridescent. And so the way that the stones are going to like shine against these flames, it makes it bright. Like when I shine the light on it, it just brights up a freaking room. Like you would think these are Swarovski stones, but those flames, the iridescent flames, I don't know, it plays a trick on the eye. But I like to use the iridescent type of stuff. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just using the stickers to basically do the nail art, because with the drawing, like, kudos to those who draw. You know, I respect y'all to the most T, you feel me? Like, those individuals really take their time to draw out the art and paint it and stuff. And yeah, I respect y'all, but me, I will stay back from that for right now. So yeah, I'm just going to continue using the stickers, and then I'm going to apply some stones to my nails. And I use the UV resin to keep my stones on my hands, on my nails, but not my hands, on my nails, okay? Because some people, they'll take that literal. You know, the president had told some people to drink bleach, and they actually went to go do it. So sometimes people take words a little bit too literal. But yeah, when it comes down to the charms, I like to use the UV resin on my nails, because the charms, they stick, they don't move for weeks. They don't move. When I tell you they don't move. So I'm going to go ahead and continue adding stones to all of my nails. And so I'm using some pink stones as well this time. This is my first time using those pink stones that you'll be seeing me using. I shy away from using those stones, but I was like, you know what? Let me just get into the pink Halloween type of theme that I have going on, because these skulls are actually pink as well. So I was like, let me just use the pink stones, and they came out good. They came out looking real nice. Let me know how you like the nails, y'all. Do you like it? Do you like it? I do. Thank you. I was also on TikTok live, so I was showing the live my nails as well. So that's why I kept taking my hands away from the camera from above, and then showing the TikTok followers on the side as well. But I usually get on TikTok live. I usually get on YouTube live, not TikTok. I just started getting on TikTok live because I want to build my community a bit more and network with other nail techs as well. So if you're a nail tech, you know, say hello, stop by or whatever. I really want to support other nail techs and stuff like that. And I actually want to do like a nail tour where I would go see other nail techs in Florida and let them do my nails. I like to do long nails as well, and then put the nail vlog on my channel, as well as show their results and stuff like that. So it's like an idea in my head that I have to just put out there. So yeah, so I'm gonna start having other nail techs do my nails as well, so I can showcase their talents and stuff. Because me as a nail tech, I don't do nail arts. So when it comes down to nail art, I really respect other nail techs' work when it comes down to that as well. Like nail techs, period. But yeah, I like to show love. So after I'm done applying the charms, I added my top coat, which is from Amazon. And these are the pink Halloween nails, y'all. Ain't they cute? But y'all, thank you guys so much for watching, and tune in next time and give me some nail ideas. Yeah. Throw in some nail ideas. Throw in some movies for me to watch. Thank ya. Goodbye. Stay safe and stay blessed.